Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Bhagyashree Maths Classes. In this video we will know about the parallelogram, like what is parallelogram, what are the basic properties of parallelogram, and also the area of parallelogram, and we will solve these questions which are based on the area of parallelogram, right? So start with parallelogram. So this is your parallelogram, like ABCD. So this is your parallelogram. So in the parallelogram, we have the opposite pair of sides are parallel as well as equal. It means if this is a parallelogram ABCD, so in this the opposite sides, that is AB, the opposite side of AB is CD. So AB is parallel to CD and the other opposite sides are AD and CB, or we can say BC. So that means AD is parallel to BC as well as AD is also equal to BC, right? So parallelogram में जो opposite pair of sides होती है वो parallel होती है और equal होती है, right? So we can write like AB is parallel to CD and next is AD is parallel to BC and they are also equal. Parallel sides, opposite sides are parallel and equal to. So it means AB is also equal to CD and AD is also equal to BC, right? And as the opposite sides are equal, so opposite angles will be also equal. Now the next thing that you should know about the parallelogram. So for this we have two terms, that is first is base and second is height, right? Now what are these base and heights? See, first I will explain you height. Height is what? The perpendicular drawn from the any vertex to its opposite side is height, right? It means ki, you can see here we have four vertex A, B, C and D. So किसी भी वर्टेक्स से जब हम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं उसकी अपोजिट साइड पे, so that perpendicular distance is the height here. So here I am drawing the perpendicular from vertex D on side AB, right? Now I name this as O, this point as O. So here DO is the perpendicular on AB. So this DO is the height of this parallelogram ABCD. Now what is the base? जो परपेंडिकुलर आपका जिस अपोजिट साइड पे ड्रॉ हो रहा है, सो दैट अपोजिट साइड जिस पे वो परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ हो रहा है, दैट इज योर बेस, राइट? इट मीन्स व्हाट इज अ बेस हेयर? ए बी, बिकॉज जो परपेंडिकुलर डी वर्टेक्स से आपका ड्रॉ हो रहा है साइड, आपकी अपोजिट साइड ए बी पे, सो ए बी इज द बेस हेयर and this DO is the height here, right? So these two terms you should know because they are very important to understand. So now the product of base with its height is the area of parallelogram. So we can write area of parallelogram is base into height. We write parallelogram as this. So this is a short form to write parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is base into height, right? Now next, that is very important thing that you should know about the diagonals of parallelogram. As we know, it is a quadrilateral, so it has two diagonals. So now what are the diagonals? When we join two vertex that are opposite to each other, so they make diagonals. So here BD and it will be like AC. These are the two diagonals of parallelogram ABCD, right? Now see, these diagonals bisect each other and each diagonal bisect the parallelogram into two congruent triangles, right? What does it mean? कि suppose ये आपका parallelogram है, ठीक है? तो इसमें ये डायगोनल है, तो जो हर डायगोनल क्या करता है, उस पैरेललोग्राम को दो इक्वल ट्राइंगल्स और वी कैन से कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड करता है. इट मींस area of this triangle will be equal to area of this triangle, right? So it means each diagonal of parallelogram bisect it into two congruent triangles, right? Now move on to, these are the some basic properties of parallelogram. Now move on to the questions. So we have 3 questions and we will do one by one. So the first question is from the NCERT class 8 book. In the question we have given, a flooring tile has a shape of parallelogram. आपके पास एक floor है. So suppose this is your floor, right? And इसका area आपको given है, ठीक है? So the shape, a flooring tile has a shape of parallelogram whose base is 24 and height is 10 centimeter. You need to find the number of tiles required to cover the area of floor. आपको इस floor का area given है, that is your 1080 मीटर स्क्वायर, राइट? आपको दूसरी चीज जो गिवन है वो है, अब इस फ्लोर में आपको टाइल्स लगानी है, राइट? कितनी टाइल्स लगानी है दैट यू विल फाइंड, ठीक है? बट वो जो टाइल्स है दैट इज ऑफ द शेप ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम एंड उसका डायमेंशन आपको गिवन है. द डायमेंशंस आर बेस इज 24 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है? तो आपको बताना है कितनी टाइल्स लगानी है. सो फॉर दिस सिंपली व्हाट वी विल डू, we already know the area of the floor. We will simply find the area of each tile and then divide the area of floor with the area of each tile. ठीक है? कितना पूरा एरिया है फ्लोर का, उसको अगर हम डिवाइड कर देंगे कि हर एक टाइल का कितना एरिया होगा, then we will get the number of tiles, right? But now you can see that area of floor we have given in meter square and the dimensions of each tile is given in centimeter. So for in such type of questions when we have units given, then the units of measurement must be same, right? So for this either you can change the centimeter into meter, ठीक है? जो डायमेंशन टाइल्स का गिवन है सेंटीमीटर को उसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, और जो मीटर में या तो अगर आपका जो एरिया फ्लोर का गिवन है उसे सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर सकते हो, राइट? Now I am changing the area of floor into centimeter, right? So first we will convert the area of floor into centimeter square, ठीक है? Now see, आपको मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना, it means you have to multiply. But see here it is meter square, not only meter, ठीक है? Because we know area will be given into square unit. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, because 1 meter into 1 meter will be 1 meter square, right? Because power will be added of the variables. So this is 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Okay, we are changing the meter square को, हमें meter square को centimeter में change करना है, तो so 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square, right? So simply we have to multiply. So we will multiply 1080 with the number of units, that is जो आपकी आई थी 10,000. So this is your 10801234 centimeter square. Now it has been converted into centimeter square. Now simply you will find the area of each tile. Area of each tile will be base into height, because the tile is of parallelogram shape. So base into height, you have given the dimensions 24 into 10. So this will be 240 centimeter square, because both the units are given into centimeter. So 240 centimeter square. Now simply the number of tiles will be, इस floor के area को you have to divide with area of floor. You will divide with the area of each tile, right? So what is that? This is 108, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 240. 10 will be cut. Now this, when you divide this, you will get 45,000. It means how many number of tiles are required to cover the floor? That is 45,000, right? So now move on to the next question. So in the next question you have given that parallelogram, the base of parallelogram is twice of its height and area of parallelogram you have given 162 centimeter square. आपको find करना है base and its height, right? So first you have given जो है आपको that is area of parallelogram, that is 162 centimeter square, right? Base and height दोनों आपको given नहीं है, right? So but the information you have given is that जो base है parallelogram का वो height का twice है. It means now you consider base as b because वो भी नहीं given है and height as h. Okay, so base is twice of height, right? Now I am writing base as b, short form b. Twice of height means 2 times of height. It means 2 into height because height is also not given, so I am writing height as h, small h. So it will be b is equal to base will be equal to 2h, right? Now this is one equation, first equation. Now simply what we will do, we will, as we know the area of parallelogram, so we will write area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? Base into height. Now simply put the values what you have given. Area of parallelogram आपको पता है, this is 162, ठीक है? Now base, you know base is what? Base आपने find करा है कि base is twice of h. It means base is 2h, right? Height आपको नहीं पता, so you will write h as it is. Okay? Now do the calculations. 2h into h will be 2h square. 2h square because this is 1 and 1, power will be 1 1, they will be added, variables will be added, so 2h square, right? Now this 2 is in multiplication with the h square. When it will go in this side, so it will come in division. So here h square, this is 162 divided by 2, it will be 81, right? Now this is in square, so यहाँ पे जब वो equal to के इधर जाएगा, so it will come in root, square root, so 81, this is h. So what is the square root of 81? This is your 9. So it means your height is 9 centimeter. Now you can simply find the base, as base is twice of height, so base will be 2h. So this is your 2 into 9, 18 centimeter, right? So you can find the question when you have area, ठीक है, area given है and you have some other information given like कि base जो है वो height का twice है या 3 times है, so कुछ भी है, so you can find like this. Okay, so now move on to the last question, that is third. So in the third question, see, it is important question. Now in this question we have given कि parallelogram है, so this is your parallelogram, right? So in the parallelogram you have given the sides, so 12 centimeter, I am taking it larger side is 12 centimeter. So as we know opposite sides will be parallel, so if it is 12 then it is also 12 centimeter. Now next is 9 centimeter you have given, so it will also be 9 centimeter. I name it as A, B, C and D, right? Now what next you have given, see, a parallelogram has a side 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter. If the distance between its shorter side is 8 centimeter, shorter side कहाँ है, ये और ये, AD and BC आपकी shorter side है, इसके बीच का distance आपको 8 centimeter given है. It means distance is what? It is talking about the height between the shorter sides, ठीक है? And height is what? Height is the perpendicular drawn from any vertex to its opposite side. So it means height ये D है, so shorter side के बीच का distance given है, it means I am drawing the perpendicular on its opposite side BC. So this is your height, right? This you have given 8 centimeter. ये जो है आपको name it this point as O. So it means DO is given 8 centimeter, which is your height between the shorter side. आपको फाइंड क्या करना है, यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द लॉन्गर साइड. लॉन्गर साइड कौन सी है, 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड 12 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज DC एंड AB. इसके बीच का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है. सो इट मीन्स अगेन आई एम मेकिंग परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस एंड नेम इट दिस पॉइंट एज P. Okay, it means you have to find DP. Okay, आपको longer side के बीच का distance find करना है. Now see how will you find this. So we will use the property which I told you in the starting about the diagonals of parallelogram. So first we will make the diagonals. So joining B with D, B and D. Okay, so this is the diagonal BD, and we know that diagonal of parallelogram divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. ठीक है, इसका मतलब इसका एरिया और इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया सेम होगा, राइट? बिकॉज जो डायगोनल्स है वो पैरेललोग्राम को दो इक्वल ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, सो सिंपली व्हाट वी विल डू, वी नीड टू फाइंड दिस. सो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल लुक एट द ट्राइंगल जिसमें हमें सारी इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है. इट मीन्स वी विल लुक एट द ट्राइंगल हुज एरिया वी कैन फाइंड. Right, area of triangle is what? 1/2 base into height. Now if I see what two triangles are here, see triangle ABD and next दूसरा triangle DBC और कुछ BCD. Okay, BCD. ये दो triangles हो रहे हैं आपके जो diagonals आपको divide कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, so now we can find that इसका हमें बेस भी गिवन है 9 सेंटीमीटर और हाइट भी गिवन है. सो इट मीन्स वी कैन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BCD, राइट? सो वी विल फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BCD. सो दिस इज 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट. नाउ 1/2 बेस इज व्हाट? लुक एट द ट्राइंगल BCD. इस ट्राइंगल को देखो, बेस इज व्हाट? फर्स्ट यू विल सी द हाइट. हाइट इज व्हाट? This is the height perpendicular drawn from the vertex. So this is your height 8 centimeter. जिस पे draw हो रही है that will be your base. So base is BC, right? So it means BC is what? कितना दे रखा है BC? 9 centimeter. So you can simply write 9 centimeter. Okay. Now what is height? DO. That is also given 8 centimeter. So now you can solve this 4. So this is 36 centimeter square is the area of triangle BCD. Right? Now we know दोनों के एरिया सेम है because diagonal bisect कर रहा है. So what we will do? We will simply write that area of triangle ABD will be equal to area of triangle BCD. Right? Now simply put the values. Area of triangle ABD क्या होगा? 1/2 base. ABD का बेस क्या है? इन ट्राइंगल ABD what is the base here? This AB, right? Because इस पे परपेंडिकुलर है, so AB is the base. And what is the height? This DP. Okay. Now area of triangle BCD you have calculated. This is your 36. ये आपने फाइंड कर लिया है. Now simply put the values. 1/2 AB की वैल्यू you have given. AB कितना है? 12 सेंटीमीटर. DP हाइट आपको फाइंड करनी है शॉर्टर साइड की लॉन्गर साइड के बीच की. So this is DP you will write as it is. This is 36. So you want to find this, so you will keep it here and rest of the values you will take it to the next side. So it will be DP को यही रखो. This 36 जो वैल्यू डिवीजन में है वो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में हो जाएगी, जो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में वो डिवीजन में हो जाएगी. This 2 is in division, so it will come in multiplication. This 12 is in division multiplication, so it will come in division. So this is 12 times 3 is 36. 3 into 2, 6 centimeter. It means DP is what? 6 centimeter. It means DP is the distance between the larger side. दोनों larger side के बीच का distance कितना है? 6 centimeter. So you can see the distance between larger sides will be 16 centimeter. Right? So in this way we can find the questions based on the area of parallelogram. Hope you will like this video, and thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe the channel if you have liked this video. Thank you.